All right, okay, so as an update for the Fergie 30, I got it to start and move. I bought a new battery for it, but now listen to what it sounds like, okay? Let me show you. Pulling the choke, clutch is in, it is on. It won't start.
Why?
It tries to turn, though, if I hold it down long enough. See? You'll notice when I try starting again, this is the belt that tries moving. I have no idea any other details. Nothing is working. Now, I know not to get WD-40 on this stuff, but I've been spraying WD-40 right at like the actual pivot joints because it sounds like it's just having a hard time actually connecting or like actually starting up. So tips, please.